Children, today I am starting exercise 2C and 2D, which are based on compound interest. Formulas we have already done. See exercise 2C. Amount is given, time is given and rate is given. Principal we have to find out. So we know formula A equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Put all the values. So principal will come out as rupees 1200. Answer. Now see the sixth question. In the sixth question again we have to find out the value of principal, and time is 2 years, rate is 5% per annum, and difference between compound interest and simple interest is given as rupees 50. So first of all calculate compound interest. Use the amount formula first. P is not given, P remain P, and now amount will come out in the term of P. Now get the CI now. CI formula is amount minus principal. Put the amount value here and P remain P. Take LCM. So CI will come out in the term of P 41P upon 400. Now get the SI. PRT upon 100. P remain P because P is not given. R and this is time. So SI will come out P upon 10. And now difference is given 50 rupees CI and SI. Put the CI value, put the SI value. CI value is this one. SI value is this one, and take LCM. So principal will come out as rupees 20,000. Answer. Now see the question number 12. In question number 12, a money becomes itself 25 upon 16 time. A money becomes 25 upon 16 time of itself in 2 years. Find the rate. So use the formula A equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Put all the values. X cancel by X. Let money you will consider X. So amount will be 25 upon 16 time of X. So put here value in the formulas. Remove square, under root will come this side, and calculate this. Take 1 this side minus, take LCM. So rate will come as 25% per annum. Answer. Now see the exercise number 2D. 2D first question, which is based on depreciation. For depreciation case, you will take minus formula. Instead of plus, you have to take here minus. 18,000 is the cost of machine in the beginning, and depreciation is given as 10% per annum in the cost of machine. So what will be cost after 3 years? So put here 3 years, minus formula we will use, rate is 10% and principal is 18,000. After calculation it will come 13,122. It will be cost of machine after 3 years. If machine cost is depreciating every year by 10%. So you have to take minus formula for depreciation. Now see the sixth question. A bacteria is there. Bacteria is increasing 10% in first hour, and in next hour, in the second hours bacteria is decreasing by the same rate. For decreasing you have to take minus formula, for increasing you have to take plus formula. Formula remains same, this one, same formula, A equals to P 1 plus R by 100. For increasing plus, for decreasing next hours bacteria numbers are decreasing, so minus. And now in the third hours bacteria is again increasing by the same rate 10%. So use this formula. This is the formula. Put all the values. So answer will come out 10,890. So for increasing you have to take plus. For decreasing you have to take minus. Again bacteria are increasing. Again you have to take plus. This is the answer only. Now see the 10th question. In the 10th questions there are number of workers. A company is reducing number of workers in the first year. So for reducing minus. And in next year again company is reducing worker, again minus, and in the third year company is increasing the number of worker, plus. Put all the values, all are given. This is rate of first year, this is rate of second year, this is rate of third year. Put all here, and what will come at last? 7,942 worker. So these are the final number of worker after 3 years. So this is the answer. So children, next time we will take new topic. Thank you.